Hello into my factory. I just finished to repair this mini excavator wheel. Also I make the new shaft for it. This is old one. I think it's overkill how to can damage the machinery. So I will keep this for the sample to show another one how to kill the machine. So it's bad example. So what I've done, I machined this bore to need size, and right there is bearing C. This bearing diameter is 85.00 millimeters, but right to here is 84.97 millimeters. So here is a 0.03 millimeters tolerance. This shaft do have a oversize or tolerances for the bearings. Also I make a group or something like that. I don't know how it's called in English, but I think it's place for locking ring right here, also right here. Also I make a spacer what I mount on this shaft, like so, in between bearings, so bearings can push together against damage this unit. So something like that, but bearings must be on the shaft and shaft right there. So what else? Wheel is too damaged. We can see how here is worn under angle, here is a straight worn, but here is less diameter than here. I think this wheel not run a long time. I will thank customer for this to he find a new one or something like that. So what else? Nothing more. So bearings must be into the bore and shaft into the bearing, and then this wheel can mount back on the tractor. So thanks for watching, good luck, and have a nice day.